Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another episode of Connecting the Body, Mind, and Spirit. Today, we are diving into one of the most important topics that can and will transform your life if, of course, you take an active role to change certain mindsets. Yes, the topic today is all about the power of mindsets and how they can transform our lives. Whether you're on a quest to transform your personal life, elevate your career, or simply infuse more joy into every day, you've chosen the right companion today. I'm Lucy, and I'm super excited to jump on board with this new topic. So, what is a mindset? A mindset can be understood as a collection of the beliefs and thoughts that shape our perception and our response to the world. It's like the mental lens through which we view our experiences, dictating how we interpret challenges, success, and failures. Mindsets can determine our behavior, our relationships with ourselves, and of course with others. Ultimately, our success in various aspects of our lives just depends on our mindset. The groundbreaking work that was created by Carol Dweck introduced us to two primary types of mindsets. One that's fixed mindset, and the other one is a growth mindset. Those people with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities, intelligence, and talents are static traits. They think, I am as I am, and nothing can change that. On the other side, individuals with a growth mindset view their qualities as just the starting point. They believe that their basic abilities can be developed and enhanced through dedication and hard work. This is the type of belief that opens up the world for learning, for resilience, and to create success in our life. Understanding our mindset is crucial because it's the foundation upon which we build our perception of ourselves and our capabilities. So, recognizing whether we lean more towards a fixed or a growth mindset can be the first step in harnessing the true power of our attitudes and our beliefs. With this knowledge, then, of course, we're better equipped to embark on the journey of personal growth and transformation. So, now let's explore the profound impact that these attitudes have in our lives. It's just not about how we perceive ourselves, but how these perceptions change our reality. Mindsets are super powerful because they influence our behavior and the choices we make each and every day. They dictate our response to challenges, our resilience in the face of setbacks, and our willingness to embrace into new opportunities. A growth mindset, for example, fuels our ambition, pushes us beyond our comfort zones, and opens us up to new possibilities. It teaches us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than just holding us back and seeing them as obstacles. One of my favorite quotes that exemplifies this growth mindset was from Thomas Edison, a figure synonymous with perseverance and innovation. Edison faced thousands of failures before he invented the electric light bulb. Each failure for him was just a lesson rather than a defeat in his eyes. He famously said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This is a growth mindset, seeing each attempt not as a failure, but a step closer to success. Pay attention to your mindset. The mindset we adopt influences not just our attitude towards learning and growth, but can significantly impact our success and our happiness. Listen to your thoughts, because studies have shown that students who embrace a growth mindset are more likely to persevere through challenges and achieve higher grades. In the workplace, employees with growth mindsets are more open to feedback, adaptive to change, and ultimately more innovative and successful in their roles. Another quote that actually is dear to me and used quite oftenly is by Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. My kids would chuckle or just roll their eyes on this one because it's one that I've used pretty often. It's the simple yet profound statement that captures the essence of our mindsets and power. Our mindsets, our beliefs about our abilities can either become self-fulfilling prophecies that propel us forward or create chains that hold us back. These stories of Edison and Henry Ford remind us that the power of mindsets is just not an abstract concept, but a tangible force that shapes our reality. By understanding and harnessing this power, we can open the doors to endless possibilities and steer our lives in the direction of growth and fulfillment that we want. So, now that we know and we've seen the incredible influence our mindsets have on shaping our experiences and outcomes, it's crucial to turn the lens inward. Stop thinking how others can do this and look in. Recognize whether you operate from a fixed or a growth mindset. It's the first step towards your transformation. So, which mindset do you work on? Well, begin by asking yourself some reflective questions. How do you react to challenges? Do you avoid them, fear them, or do you embrace them as opportunities to learn? When you receive feedback, do you take it as a personal offense or as a valuable insight? How do you view the success of others? Through a lens of jealousy or as inspiration towards you? Your honest answers to these questions can reveal much about your underlying mindset. So, in answering these questions, if you find yourself shying away from challenges, feeling threatened by others' success, or giving up easily in the face of obstacles, this might be a sign of your fixed mindset. On the other hand, a growth mindset is indicated if you feel hungry for learning, resilience in setbacks, and view criticism as a catalyst for your improvement. Self-awareness is the key in this journey. It's about recognizing our automatic thoughts and attitudes towards various aspects of our lives. Remember that by acknowledging you have a fixed mindset in certain areas is not a defeat. It's the first step towards growth. It offers you the choice to shift towards a more growth-oriented approach. Let go of guilt and move forward. Do things different. With a new understanding of the power of mindsets and, of course, the introspective journey that we have to recognize our own, let's approach the most transformative part of this discussion today. How can we shift from a fixed to a growth mindset? Change isn't always easy, but with actionable strategies and a commitment to growth, you can do it. First, embrace challenges. Start by embracing challenges instead of avoiding them. Challenges are opportunities for growth and learning, not threats to your abilities. When faced with a daunting task, instead of saying, "I can't do this," ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I do it? This shift in perspective turns obstacles into stepping stones. 2, persist in the face of setbacks. Setbacks are not a sign of failure. They're a part of a learning process. Each failed attempt is merely another chance to learn. When you stumble, remind yourself that growth comes from perseverance and experiences. So ask, what can this teach me? Instead of giving up. Third, see your efforts as the path to mastery. Viewing efforts as a negative thing is a hallmark of a fixed mindset. However, effort is essential for mastery and improvement. Perhaps this time you didn't get what you wanted or what you were trying to achieve. But remember, the effort is the key for your future success. So give yourself a pat in the back and realize your effort. It just didn't work this time, but move forward. The more you practice, the better you will become. Fourth, learn from criticism. Feedback, even when it's critical, is invaluable for your growth. Instead of taking criticism personally, view it as a resource for your improvement. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this feedback? Use it as your tool to refine your strategy and make it better next time. 5. Find lessons and inspirations in the success of others. Stop seeing others' success with envy. See it as an opportunity to learn and be inspired. Success stories are not just about the achievements of others. They're blueprints that can guide you. Ask, what strategies did they use that I can apply? Transform jealousy into your biggest motivation. Shifting our mindsets doesn't happen overnight. It's a continuous process that requires dedication and intention. By embracing challenges, persisting through setbacks, valuing effort, learning from criticism, and drawing your inspiration from others, you will lay the groundwork for a life characterized by growth and learning. Remember, your mindset will cultivate and shape your life. This is the most powerful tool for change you can have. I encourage you to start small. Identify one area of your life where you've noticed a fixed mindset tendency and apply these strategies. Whether it's embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, or learning from criticism, each step is a leap towards your personal growth and fulfillment. I'm very excited to hear from you. Hit the like button if you are ready to change any area of your life, and let me know what mindset you have. If today's episode inspired you, share it with someone who could use a message of growth and transformation. Together, let's foster a community of growth mindset individuals, supporting each other on this journey of self-improvement. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and never underestimate the power of your mindset. I love you, and I can't wait to hear from you. See you next time.